Welcome back to our new show,
Dash of Delish, where every video we have a mystery ingredient.
What are we going to be making today, Autumn?
Our own recipe, absolutely the best chocolate chip cookies.
The mystery ingredient is under this bowl.
Hope you enjoy.
Let's do this.
We preheat the oven to 350.
We also spray the pan. Is that we cream together the shortening, the butter, and the sugars.
We have 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, a stick of butter. Let me unwrap this.
And shortening. Using our paddle attachment on our mixer.
You cream them together until they're light and fluffy.
As shown.
Add the eggs one at a time.
I didn't even get and add the vanilla. And voila! It turns into something way more delicious because of the vanilla. Now you mix all the dry ingredients together.
First, we have 2 1/4 cups of flour. Then we have a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt.
Now you slowly put in the mixer.
Now you put in the chocolate chips.
And eat some.
Now, for the secret ingredient, drum roll please. Marshmallows!
Marshmallow for victory!
And pour them in.
And eat one. And you
And then a good chef always tastes it before they serve it.
Yum, yum, yum. It tastes delicious, and now you should eat it because it's the best thing in the world. And that's why it's named absolutely the best chocolate chips in the world.
What? You're taking a video. What are you doing?
Want to get your reaction.
No, they don't work. Is it because of the marshmallows?
Okay, let's show Asher. Okay, cookies ready. You can open it.
Just look at it.
They're terrible. What happened?
It didn't work.
Okay, give me the thing. You got it. Okay.
What happened?
You put marshmallows in them, and that's what happened.
Oh, jeez. Mom, this is all your fault. You said to put in marshmallows.
Well, let's scrape them up and see how they turn out.
We're going to explain it. So, the marshmallow, I hope this actually tastes good, it turned into like a toffee type of candy. So it's like cookie and toffee, basically.
So that's why, like, they look exploded, but it's just toffee candy, and it tastes very good.
Okay, here we
Let's see how
go.
it tastes.
It's great.
It still tastes really good. I mean, it's a little hard to take off the sheet. But you guys should try it.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is worth it. Now we are going to vote on today's dash of Delish marshmallows. 3, 2, 1.
It tastes amazing. You should
So-
try it. And Autumn has
Go ahead.
bad taste buds
Why do you think it's really good?
because I love chocolate chip cookies. It tastes very good.
I know what about the dash of Delish marshmallows.
I couldn't really taste it, so.
I voted sideways because, I mean, I don't really like how it exploded because it's hard to get off the pan, even though it's greased. Actually, because it's greased, it was probably better. But, it tastes good altogether. Oh, yeah, middle. Bye.
Bye and have a great day and eat more pizza because you are amazing.